Inside, stolen, and the fast break, pre.
Against
Number 40 in the water, basket and one. Fakes, drives, elbow, pinabitin of the window, bucket. The corner, fakes, attacks Trinidad, stop, pull up J, the foul, basket and one. They discarded between the legs, he attacks, goes to the rim, fires, yes sir. Fonta. Welcome to Abra Intertown Party List Cup 2024. First ball possession. Here's Pre. Fakes. Kicks out for Team Bukay. Fires at 3. Bang! First block. And here's a bounce pass inside. Stolen. And the fast break. Pre. Against number 40 in the water. Basket and one. Pre. Fontanilla cross the mid lane. Elbow to Fontanilla. Pass back elbow. Deep 3, bang! Nothing but the net. Team Bukay, pass to the wings, pass back to the middle, Pre. Pass to Gonzales, corner pass, he attacks. Cross pass, Pre, fakes. To the middle, wide open for 3. Short, rebound by Pre. Post up, spins, pull up J. Yes, sir. And here's Villasosa, fakes, drives, elbow, pinabitin of the window, bucket. And here's Fontanilla, pass to elbow, open look, bang, trip, and the pass break, attacks, Pinoy step lace, oh, won't go, rebound still for Team Bukay, he goes out inside, pass one-on-one with the big man, yes sir, or sisinyas ng 5, dun ka pre, dito ako, on the wings, pass to the corner, fakes, attacks Trinidad, stop, pull up J, the foul, basket and one. Fontanilla for Team Villasosa, stop and the free throw area, he fires, won't go. Rebound Trinidad, the pass break, the long pass, received by Gonzalo, step back for 2, short, rebound pa rin pa Bukay, reverse layup, yes sir, Trinidad win. Fontanilla against Gonzales at the top. They discarded between the legs, he attacks. Goes to the rim, fires, yes sir! Follow pass, ball is stolen. And now inherit, Trinidad. Pass to Gonzales, the water, in and out, rebound, put back. Villanueva with the set. And here's Fontanilla, elbow for 3, bang, Dane. And Fontanilla, nagawan. And here, all alone, lumipad, DC bucket. By 5, Divina to the wings, pass back, Divina to Pre. Pass to Trinidad, inside pass. And Villanueva, pull up J. No good. Rebound. Kicks out. Sa gitna, Villanueva ulit. Tries another one. Basket and wall. And in hurry now, Fontanilla, bounce pass. And a fresh also. The end of the first quarter. He lost the handle. And Trinidad, Gonzales. Easy lace. Gonzales. And pass to the middle for Nis. Resty. Balls up. And here's Claor. Corner pass. Trinidad. Cross pass for 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. And here's Team Villasosa. And stop behind the back pass. Ang gandang pass. Ano rin? The finish. And here's number 21. And he dribble, he attacks, pull up J, won't go. Rebound number 11, pass break. And he attacks, he bump, picks to the middle, open look, short, and rebound, fires, bucket. 28-27, Guerrero. And a fires at 3, won't go. Rebound, Fornis, bounce pass na libre, what a pass, and a good finish. And Gonzales to Pre, the floater won't go, in and out. Trinidad inbounding to Gabayni, falling away, won't go. Rebound pa rin, put back, ang lakas mo. Pero high pass, corner, open look, elbow, won't go. And here's Claor, libre, Gabayni, easy lace. Gabrero at the top. Pass to Fornis, stolen by Gabayni. Bounce pass. And Claor with the lace. CC2 again. Tawag. Claor to Gonzales to Claor. To Gonzales. Fires at 3. Bang! And Guerrero. Pass to Baile to Guerrero. Guerrero to Fornis. Pass back. Open. Baile attacks. Floater. Yes, sir. Baile. And Gonzalez. Pass to Claor. To Gonzalez. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Trinidad. Trinidad to the corner. Far spray. Bang! Pre! Guerrero. Pass to number 17 to Guerrero. To the middle. Bounce pass to the corner. Fornis. Pull up jet. The baseline. Bakit? Guerrero. Pass to Fornis. Is stolen by Claor. Easy to Claor. Claor. Pass to Gonzalez. Pass to Pre. Pre. Attacks. Goes to the baseline. Create space. Falling away. Bullseye. And here's Gonzalez to Claor. Drives. The floater. One go. Rebound. Put back. Pre will finish. Clock. Looking for receiver. Pre. He dribble. He attacks. Pull up J. That's Chan Albo. Albo to the middle for 3. Bang! Christian. And Spontanilla. Pass to number 15. Pull up J. No hood. To the middle, libreng-libre, easy to! Down to 9-point lead for Team Bukay. Claor goes to the middle. Pull up J, free throw area, Bullseye. Tanilla. Attack to the middle. Inside pass, the alley-oop pass, won't go. Pre. Pre, 3-on-2 laban. Pre, decided to attack. Fires off the window, yes sir. Tanilla against Pre, picks. Pass to the wings. Open look for 3. Bang! 3-4. Pass to Pre. Pre will try a 3. Bang! The answer. Tanilla. Attacks. Bimanga. Too strong. Rebound. And stops. Pass. Spins. To the middle. Open look. Inside pass. Fontanilla clutch fire. Bucket for 2. Fontanilla. Trinidad. Against Fontanilla. Di distansya. Corner pass. Pre will try at 3. Bang! 3 points. And Pre. He attacks. Bounce pass. Gabayni. Sinausaw na. Fontanilla. Open look for 3. Bang! Fontanilla. 10-point lead for Team Bukay. Natapikan. Stolen. And easy lace. Oh, wala. He bounce. He pass back. Another pass. Clutch. Trinidad goes to the screen. Open look, Claor. Left alone for 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. And stops Fontanilla. Di diskarte mula sa gitna. Dumistansya. Attacks to the baseline. He lays. Too strong. Follow up shot. Yes sir. Backdoor inbound. Pull up J. Too strong. Rebound. Put back, Trinidad, strong finish. Here's Fontanilla. Fontanilla, he pass, far sa 3. Bang! Another 3. Fontanilla, Albo, picks, drives, inside, he pass to the middle. Baile will finish. And Claor. And here's Gonzalez between the legs. Claor. Claor goes to the screen. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Claor. Ilya. Stop. Pull up J. Short. And bounce pass. Villanueva. No, too strong. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. Gonzalez. To the corner. Cross pass. Trinidad. Drives. Bump. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Done it! And pass. Bang! 3-point lead. Bumangga. For floater. No good. Rebound mula sa likod. Pinabitin. Oh, ang gandang tira naman nun. And the pass. Pre, fakes. Drives. To the hoops. Yes, sir! Vina. High pass. Fakes. Spins, Divina. And Pre for 3. Bang! Another 3. And Divina, pass to the corner. Pinabitin! Oops! Recover. Villanueva. And Pre for 3. In and out. Rebound, put back. Yes, sir! And bounce pass. Guerrero, corner pass for Nis. Pull up J. Yes, sir! Pass break. Divina. Umatake. Bakit? Divina. Gonzales. 1 bounce and 3. Na good. Backdoor inbound for Timbuka. Ang gandang connection. And stop Spontanilla. For 3. Bang! 3 points. And Albo. Drives. Inside. Left-handed lace. Yes, sir. Chris. Kalipa bounce pass. To the middle. Pass. No strong. And the long pass. Lace. Yes, sir. Pass break. And fires. Easy to. And Nils Trinidad. Inararo sa loob. Pinasa. Open look. Baseline. Bakit? Albo to the hoop. Sinausaw. Christian Albo. And drives to the hoop. Basket and one. Congratulations, Team Bukay.